Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome, and if you're a returning viewer, thank you for always showing me love. Today I'm making fried rice. Okay, so to begin, I have my chicken drumstick, I have beef, I have liver, I have shrimp, I have green peas, some pepper, seasoning, crayfish, curry, thyme. I have some salt here, ginger and garlic paste, chicken broth, I have green beans, I have green bell pepper, this is just 2, I have some fresh carrots, I have green onions, I have fresh thyme leaves, I have some onion here, and I have some chopped here. Okay, so I hope I'm not forgetting anything, but let's go ahead and start, guys. So in a pot, I'm gonna go in with my chicken. Use all the beef, just a little bit here. Okay, I'm gonna go in with some seasoning. I'm gonna go in with some crayfish. I'm gonna go in with curry, thyme. I'm gonna come here with some ginger and garlic paste. I'm gonna come here with onion, a little bit of salt, and then I'm gonna take this to the stove. Okay, so before I forgot to show you guys this. I have some coconut oil. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to go in. I'm not adding water, I'm using chicken broth. Okay, I'll go in with my chicken broth. Then I'll go in with my pepper. Cover and let it cook. Guys, while the meat is boiling, I went ahead and I chopped my vegetables. So I have my carrots, the green bell peppers, the green beans. This is part of it. So now I also chopped the onions. So now I'm just going to cut these green onions. So what I used my vegetable chopper to chop all these things. That's the only way you can make fried rice a little bit easier, you know, because this fried rice takes a lot of work. You know, if you want a very easy recipe for fried rice, you can check my previous video on how to make Nigerian fried rice with store-bought frozen vegetables. You know, in that video I used only frozen vegetables. I didn't have to go through all this chopping and cutting and all this stuff, because this takes a lot of time. Okay, so if you're not feeling like doing all this, you know, just go ahead and use frozen vegetables. But today I'm doing it the hard way. Okay, so this is my green onions. I chopped everything. So the only thing left is for me to cut the liver. Okay, so I'm going to chop the liver now. So just in case, this liver is already cooked. So the only thing I did was, you know, wash the liver, put it in a pot, add a little bit of salt, and seasoning, you know, and I just boiled it. Okay, so that's the only thing I did. So I'm going to fry this liver. So this is how you prepare the liver. So after cooking and cutting it, you're going to fry it. So guys, this is ready. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to transfer this to the oven and let it bake. Because I have this chicken in my Ninja double stack oven. So what I'm going to do, just go in with a little bit of coconut oil on top. I'm going to take this to the oven. While air frying the chicken, I'm going to fry the beef, okay? Because I love fried beef with fried rice. So after taking out all the beef, I'm going to sieve this, then I can start preparing my rice. So this is what I will use to prepare my rice. So guys, I have here some long grain basmati rice. That's what I'm using for this fried rice. So I'm going to wash this, take it to the sink, wash it, and then we can prepare the rice. So after washing my rice, I'm going to pour the rice in. So I'm going to go in here with my chicken stock. Okay. I'm going to bring in my coconut oil so the rice doesn't stick together. I like to use coconut oil. You go in with some seasoning. More ginger and garlic. Then the other thing that makes all the difference is fresh thyme leaf right here. So I'm just going to put this on the rice just for the flavor. I'm still going to take it out once the rice is ready. So I'm going to cover this on the rice just to give it that really fine earthy flavor. So this is going to make a lot of difference, guys. So this right now is going to the stove. Okay, so if I may, maybe a little bit of salt, you know, then there you go. So guys, while the rice is getting ready, I'm gonna go ahead and fry the beef and the liver. So guys, this beef is ready. I'm going to take it out now. Then I'll fry the liver. So I'm going to go in with the liver. So right now guys, this liver is ready. So I'm going to take it out and then I'll start frying my vegetables. So guys, our rice is ready. So this is how you prepare it. So I'm going to take out this, take out all these thyme leaves, or rather the stems. I'm going to take those out. Then I'm going to start frying the vegetables. That is after I prepare my shrimp. Okay, so I'm going to turn on, let this get very cold before I will use it for the fried rice. So I'm going to turn my fan on and just let this rice get very, very cold before I make the rice. Guys, to prepare my shrimp, I'm going to go in the pan with a little bit of oil. I'm going to bring in the shrimp. I'm going to bring in some onion, some seasoning, some crayfish, some green onion, yes, I'm going to do this, add some ginger and garlic paste. I'm going to go in with some thyme leaves just for flavor and aroma. I'm going to add a little bit of coconut oil. So guys, this shrimp is ready. I'm going to set it aside. First, I'm going to take out all this, okay? Because I don't need this no more. And I'm going to set it aside. And then I'll fry the vegetables. This is the rice. I poured it into a foil pan just to make sure it gets cooled down quickly. So now I'm going to fry the vegetables and just mix it. Already this rice is already very, very delicious. I mean, it's already good to go. Only that I need to cook a little bit more because I didn't cook it all the way through. Okay, so we're going to fry the vegetable, mix it, just leave it on the fire for like 5 minutes and then it's ready. So I'll go into a pan, into my wok pan with some vegetable oil. I'm going to go in with some onion. I'm going to come here with some carrots. I'll let the carrot cook down for some time because just for a few minutes because it's the hardest among all the vegetables. Okay, so I'm going to come here with some more ginger and garlic. So I'm going to come here with some green beans. Some green peas, I'm going to go in here with some spring onions, going with some bell peppers, so now it's finally time to mix our fried rice. I'm going to take out some vegetables. Go in with the rice. And give this a stir. Coming with more vegetables. I'm gonna let this fry on very high heat. So right now, I'm gonna go in with the liver. So I'm gonna come here, weight the shrimp. So guys, I'm gonna come here with the fried beef. Beautiful beef. So there you have it, guys. The delicious pot of fried rice is ready. I'm gonna go in here with the chicken. How beautiful is this, guys? If up to now, guys, you're not salivating, I don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead and salivate. This is very allowed in this kitchen. Thank you guys for hanging out with me in my kitchen. Until I see you in the next video. Bye bye.